This is a quick update on our broody hen who has the duck eggs underneath her. I have already shot this video, which is why she's not being very aggressive towards me, because she's already put me in her place and you. But she does still fluff up on occasion, and I think that's because Gertrude's out in the garden making noise. But yeah, so this is her. The duck eggs underneath her are fertile and are developing nicely, as you can see in previous videos. She's doing really well, and it's really exciting because they've only got 6 days until the hatch date, and it's really good. So this is a quick update on her. And a good thing to know about when a hen is brooding duck eggs is you should spray the duck eggs with water around the hatch date so it softens them, because the duck in the wild would go in the water and then go and sit on them for moisture. You've got a bit sneezy, are ya? Sorry, I'll leave you alone. So anyway, so this is her, and I'll be sure to make another video when the ducklings hatch. Thank you, bye.